Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. So this is Khushi and today we are going to start with our unit 12 area brain teasers. Okay, we have already completed the explanation of our chapter area and explanation video is divided into two parts. Okay, and also we have completed worksheet 1, 2 and 3 of area chapter. And now today we are going to do brain teasers of this chapter. Okay, so let's start with our first question, that is the area of the shaded portion is. Okay, so we have been given a picture here, or you can share shape here, a figure here, and they are asking us to find the area only of this shaded part. Okay, this shaded part is yellow color in your book and I have made the green line so that you can understand that which part is shaded. Okay, so this is the shaded part and we have to find the area of this. Okay, now as you can see here length is given, breadth is given, length is given, breadth is given. That means what? The figure is in which shape? Rectangle. Okay, so which formula we can apply here? We can apply the formula of area of a rectangle. Okay, so this is clear. Then they are asking us the shaded part of only this figure. Okay, but in it one more rectangle is there. Yes, so what we'll do, we'll first find the area of this one, then we'll find the area of the inner one, and then we'll subtract both of them to get only the area of this shaded part. Okay, so let's start. So what we'll do, let's find first the area. So area of a rectangle, that is what? L into B. Okay, so area will be what? 8 into 9 is what? 72 square centimeter. Okay, then area of the inner one, so area again L into B, so area will be what? Area will be 6 into 5. Okay, so 6 into 5 and centimeter, so area will be 6 5s are 30 square centimeter. So we are having 72 and 30. Yes, we'll subtract this, so we'll get the area of the inner part. So 72 minus 30 will do. So 72 minus 30, what we are left with? We'll get 42. Okay, so our answer is 42 square centimeter. Yes, and this is what? The area of the only the shaded portion. Okay, the area of only the shaded portion. So our correct answer is the fourth one. Okay, so we have completed with our question 1A part. Let's move on to our next question now. Now moving to our B part, that is length of a rectangle is 12 centimeter and its breadth is 4 centimeter less than the length. Okay, the area of the rectangle is, so our figure is what? The figure is of a rectangle in which length is given to us as 12 centimeter and they have said breadth is less than the length. Yes, breadth less than 4 centimeter. That means 12 minus 4. Okay, 4 centimeter less than the length. That means the given length is what? 12 centimeter. Okay, so 12 centimeter minus 4 will be our breadth. Okay, so 12 minus 4 is what? 8. Yes. So what is our breadth then? Breadth is 12 minus 4, that is 8. So we are getting breadth as 8 centimeter. Okay, they have now told us to find the area. So area will be what? Area of a rectangle is equals to, the formula is L into B. Yes, so area will be 12 into 8 with centimeter. So area will be what? 12 into 8. 96 square centimeter or 96 centimeter square. Okay, now we are getting this answer. Let's see what is the right one. Here we are having 296, but what is the difference? In which only centimeter and in which square centimeter. But in area, always remember square will be there. Okay, in the answer we have to put square. So our correct answer will be the second one, that is 96 square centimeter. Okay, so we have completed with our B part. Let's move on to our next part. Okay, so now coming to our C question, that is the best unit to measure area is. So the best unit to measure area is a square. Okay, so our correct answer is what? A square. And this we have also discussed why the best unit of area is measuring only by the square. We have discussed in our explanation video. Okay, moving next to our question D, that is area of the given figure is. So figure is given to you and we have to find area in terms of squares. Okay, so as you can see here one square is this one. Yes, then second square, then third one is full only, then this fourth square, then this fifth square. Yes, and each square, every square is divided and it's half, so we can also say it's made up of triangles. Yes, when a square is divided, it is made up of triangles. Okay, so to solve this question, we are having two types. We can solve this in two ways. First way is count all the squares. So one is this square, second is this, third is this, fourth is this, fifth is this. Okay, 5 squares we are having, and this half and this half, it will make one square. I just now said we make a square, if we divide it, we are getting two triangles. So similarly, two triangles will make up one square. Yes, so these two triangles make up one square. So in total we are having what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Okay, we'll have 6 squares. We can do this question in another way also, that is we can count all the triangles. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay, then what to do? We can also divide this. Okay, so we in total we will divide this and we'll get what? Two triangles. Okay, after dividing this square, we'll get two triangles. So in total we will get how many triangles? 12 triangles. Okay, but we divided a square in making a triangle. Yes, in forming two triangles. So 12 divided by 2 we will do. So we will get again what? 6 squares. Okay, so both the ways you can do. Easier way is counting the squares and then solving it out. Okay, so our correct answer will be here 6. Okay, moving to our last part of this first question. Okay, moving now to our equation, that is area of a rectangle of length 7 cm and breadth 4 cm is. Okay, so we are having what? We are having a rectangle in which length is 7 cm, breadth is 4 cm. Okay, we have to find the area. So area of a rectangle is what? The formula is L into B. So area will be what? Area is equals to 7 into 4. Okay, so area will be 7 4s are 28 square centimeter. Okay, so our correct answer is option D or option number 4. Okay, 28 square centimeter. So here we have completed with our first question. Now moving with our second one. Okay, let's start with our second question now. Now coming to our second question, that is which has more area. So we are having 4 parts and we have to find which has more area. So postcard or inland letter. So obviously a letter will have more area. So inland letter. Blackboard or art sheet. So art sheet is what? A drawing paper. Okay, so art sheet or a blackboard? Blackboard obviously. Yes. Next, 10 rupee note or a 100 rupee note. This you kids have also observed in your home. 10 rupee note is smaller than a 100 rupee note. Okay, so our correct answer is a 100 rupee note. Handkerchief or a bed sheet. So obviously bed sheet is more bigger. Yes, we cover our beds and beds are large. Yes, so bed sheet is bigger than handkerchief. So bed sheet carry more area. Okay, so we have completed with our second question. Now let's move on to the third one. Moving now to our third question, that is find the area in terms of unit squares. Okay, so we have to count the squares and then determine the area. So first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we are having what? The area is 11 squares. Okay, next 1, 2, 3. 3 full squares and 2 half squares make up 1 square. So 3 plus 1, 4. So our answer 4 squares. Okay, then third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 2 half squares make up 1 square. So total 12 squares. Okay, so our answers are 11 squares, 4 squares, 12 squares. Okay, I'm not such a good drawer or an artist, so the pictures are made like that only, but I hope you must have understood it. Okay, so we have completed with the third question. Now let's move on to our next question. Now moving to our fourth question, that is Ramu has a paddy field which is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay, so a paddy field is there, that means a rice field is there and the shape is what? Rectangle. Okay, it has a length of 15 meter. Length is what? 15 meters and breadth is 8 meters. Okay, breadth is 8 meters. If he has plowed an area of 90 square meter of the field, how much more area is to be plowed? So this is the you can say the length and breadth of the field, and he has plowed 90 square meter of the field. So we have to find how much area is left, okay, to be plowed. So first of all, let's find the area. So area will be what? Area is equals to L into B. So area will be 15 into 8, okay. So area is equals to 15 into 8. That means 120 meter. Yes, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 120 meter, or you can say no, 120 square meter. Yes, because area has to be with square. Okay, so area is this much. Now he has plowed 90 square. So how much is left? So area, you can say how much area is to be plowed. So area left to be plowed is equals to, so kitna area left hai, okay, how much is the left part? So area left to be plowed is equals to, so what is our area now? 120. So the full field is 120, okay. Out of that 90 he has already done. So how much is left? So 120 minus 90, okay. So 120 minus 90 is what? 30. Yes, so the answer is 30 square meter or 30 meter square. Okay, so this much area is left to be plowed. Okay, we have completed with our fourth question. Now let's move on to our next one. Now our fifth question is, a square park is to be watered. Okay, so a park is there in the shape of a square. Okay, is to be watered if one side of the park is 5 meters. So one side is what? 5 meters. Find the area. So area will be what? The formula of a square is area is equals to side into side. Yes. So area is equals to 5 into 5. Okay. So area is equals to 25 square meters or 25 meter square. Okay. So this much area is to be watered. Okay. So we have completed with our fifth question. Now moving ahead with our sixth question, that is, a wooden sheet is 15 meter long and 16 meter broad. Long means length and broad means breadth. Okay, so 15 meter is the length and 6 meter is the breadth. And wooden sheet, length breadth is given, that means the sheet shape is what? Sheet's shape is of a rectangle. So 15 meter length, 6 meter breadth. It has to be painted on both the sides. Now this sheet has to be painted on both the sides, means front side also, back side also. Okay. Find the cost of painting at rupees 30 per square meter. Okay. So 1 meter square is what the rupees is what? 30 rupees. Okay. For 1 square meter, 30 rupees. So for how many squares? That means how many rupees he needs. Okay. So first of all, let's find the area out. So area will be what? Area is equals to L into B. So area is equals to length 15 into breadth 6. So area 15 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 carry 90 square meter. Okay, 90 square meter we are having the area. Now painted on both the sides. So 90 square meter, that means the area of the front side only. Okay, back side also. So both the sides area will be what? So area of both the sides. Okay, area of both the sides is equals to, how many sides are there? 2 sides. Yes, so 90 into 2, that means 180 square meter. So total area of the cardboard is what? 180. Okay, now for 180 squares meter is the we are having, and for 1 meter square the rupees is what? 30. So for 180 squares, what will be the rupees we have to find? So cost of painting is equals to 180 into 30. That means what? 3 8s are 24 to carry, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. So 5400 square meter is our answer. Okay, so we have completed with our sixth question. So we have completed with all the questions of our brain teasers of unit 12 area. We have also done worksheet 1, 2, 3 and today brain teasers of our chapter area. Okay. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do encourage me with your lovely comments and bye.